Bounceback offers, how to systematize the process. In this video, I'm going to give you some ideas on how to systematize your bounceback offers so that it doesn't disrupt your business workflow or add unnecessary tasks along the way. In our previous video, I talked about bounceback offers and what they are, the low-cost, high-return item that really should be included with every shipment, even though I myself haven't always lived up to that expectation. To accomplish this requires, at the very least, a basic but systematized process. It needs to be part of your regular workflow. For instance, if you're doing a low-volume, high-priced premium product, you can probably afford to assign someone the job of looking at the customer's file before a shipment. What did they purchase today? What could they use that would complement today's purchase or previous purchases? What new product or service might they be interested in considering their purchase history? Based on the answers, a bounce-back offer is then selected from several pre-prepared offers. On the other end of the spectrum, if you're selling a high volume of lower cost units, you can automate the process in your e-commerce store and/or your contact management system. First, create bounce-back offers that make sense for specific products or for broader product categories. Then, when someone buys in that category or buys that specific product, it automatically triggers a related bounce back. Triggers can do almost anything. A trigger can create an extra line on an invoice with the offer. It could trigger a separate email. It could create a fulfillment task for the person packing to insert a specific marketing material. It could create a task for a salesperson to call for a follow-up. The potential for automating bounce-back triggers is practically endless. However, if you don't have that, you don't really need all that automation. If you're just getting started with bounce-backs, your process can be even more basic than that. Just come up with one offer you think will appeal to a wide customer cross-section and put the offer in every box that ships. Now, if you can personalize each shipment, for instance, with a handwritten note or a personalized letter, the offer will be more effective, but you can get into that later. It's more important to take that first step and get started with something today. In our next video, we'll talk about what kinds of bounce backs you want to think about using. How have bounce back offers helped your business? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel.